Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So in this lecture here, we're going to finish up our little application here. So let's go ahead and see if everything is working 100%. Hopefully it's not working 100%. So that way we can have a little fun by debugging, right? Get into that habit of loving it, because if you love it, what that is going to do is make you better. Remember that. So let's go ahead and pull state from the use location. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is let's return some JS sets here. And let's see if we get all the data that we need to. So let's do a background of white, padding sits, and we should have the same style in here, as a matter of fact, somewhere. Right here. Let's, there we go. Let's just delete. Actually, yeah, that's the same style. We should have the same style all over. Alrighty. So let's go. Let me put the, because it's not one line, right? It's going to have multiple lines. Now what I'm going to do. Oh, I don't like my pretty extension when it's doing this thing here, and I'm saving. I'm always so used to saving the document that it takes it off from what I'm doing. All right, so let's do, when I say take it off, takes it off from what I'm doing, it takes away some of the stuff that I'm actually doing when I click save, right? And it reorders that. So anyway, let's do sign up here. And let's do a couple tags here. We're going to have 4 pieces of information. So we're going to have 4 paragraphs. And then inside this paragraph, we're going to have this strong tag in each of those. We're going to have the name. This one, it should be the email, because that's always the second one. And what do we got? Age and gender, I believe. Age and gender. Okay. And in here, we'll just bring from state. We'll say, hey, from state, I want you to give me the name. And I'll just copy this guy out and paste it in here and change the values. So this one would be email. And let's see if we can pull that without any errors. Like I said, I want errors just to make it a little bit more exciting. But if we don't have, it's okay. I'm willing to take the day with no errors. And let's just style this a little bit and give it, and I think we do have a heading on the other one that we could have just copy and paste. But knowing me, you know, I don't like, even though I'm getting a little slow over the time with my fingers because of, believe it or not, if you code a lot all your life, you will have some finger problems in the future. Anyway, yeah. So let's go ahead and put some colons here just to make this a little better. And a little space would be nice. So, yeah. All right. So let's just say Edwin and then age, male, password 1, 2, and 3. Net. Yeah. Gender. Oh, gender. Yeah, that's not working because we have a mistake here on gender. And gender is on step number 2, I believe. So we got to change that value. Let me see where, if it's step number 2 or number 3. Number 2. So let's go into step number 2 and let's see where gender is. Gender. gender. And you can see it here. So we are actually, that's the problem is in confirmation. Sorry about that. Gender. There we go. And here. Sorry about that. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway, let's do that. And yeah, that's coming out to be right 100% now. All right, let's test it one more time and let's just make sure that it works. So let's just write the Rico Suave character here. And we'll just do save. We'll do 21 because Rico is very young all the time. Password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But the password is never going to come out here on the site number form, right? So it doesn't matter. There you have it, guys. Guys, do not forget to subscribe. Make sure that you're liking this video, sharing it with people, so that way our channel keeps growing. And yeah, and I can keep making more courses for you guys, more videos, more, and giving you more code. If you want the code for this particular project, you should have the link somewhere in the description. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next course or video or playlist or in my website. See you.